Are you guys gonna shower?
I'm not gonna shower tonight.
You?
Hindi, sabi ni Kuya after ng turn mo sa confession room.
Shower pag gabi. Kasi, parang pag nasa bahay na ako, kasi nag-shower na ako sa umaga pag uwi.
Shower call na daw, guys. Shower call na. Para sa lahat.
Kayo muna.
Housemates? Yes, Kuya.
Housemates?
Yes po, Kuya.
Nagsisimula na ang shower call, pero doon lamang sa mga taong nakausap ko na. So, ibig sabihin, sa mga nakausap ko na, maaaring na mag-shower.
Binalik ko, bro. Natakot ako eh.
Lee.
Natakot ako, bro. Di ko alam if pwede. Saan mo nilagay? Binalik mo? Baka kasi part siya ng furniture na design.
You gonna shower?
Kailangan ibalik?
Hindi mo binalik.
Kinahila mo. Sino yung shower call?
Kulang pa ng isa.
Ano oras ka mag-skincare? Sabay tayo?
Sabay tayo, sige.
Sige.
Parang ano lang, like, wala lang, pag wala nang gagawin at the end of the day.
Pagtapos na sila?
Pagtapos sa lahat, di ba? Hilamos, tanggal ako contact lens, put the skincare.
Yun, contacts?
I'm blind. So, in the morning, siguro nakakasalamin ako. Then, paghapon na,
Contacts.
What's your grade, bro?
425.
What the? That's high. Yeah,
What
that's
the
high.
fudgy bar? Yun lang, yun na lang.
Fudgy bar nga, no?
What the fudgy bar?
Galing ah.
Nakasalamin. Oh, makikita mo
Di
na
ba masama yung buong araw ka naka-contacts?
Hindi naman. As long as you don't sleep with contact lens. That's gonna ruin your eyes. Kasi pag natutulog tayo, gumagalaw mata natin. Kasi di ba nananaginip tayo? So, while the eyes are closed, and then may contact lens, masascratch yung mata.
Have you ever tried sleeping with your contacts?
Nakakatulog ako pag sa biyahe. 1
That's
hour.
fine. That's fine.
Yeah, pero
Like, I mean, like, sleep talaga, like...
yung buong,
No?
Like 12 hours, 10 hours?
Nah. I don't wanna risk it. Ew.
Kahit sobrang antok ka na?
Pag yung 1 hour, 30 minutes, okay lang. Okay pa ako na Pero don't risk it. Pag na-realize mo nakakatulog at tapos may contact lens, snap.
Yeah.
Wake up.
You're taekwondo, right? Taekwondo. And
can do a lot.
boxing. Tama ba? Boxing. Si, Joaquin, wrestling.
You can do
Wrestling,
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai? Not just taekwondo?
Yeah, Muay Thai, boxing,
Boxing.
Muay Thai, taekwondo, boxing. This I practice jiu-jitsu with my dad.
Grabe.
You can do all of it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Tropa tayo ah.
Hey,
Tropa tayo.
You can walk on fire.
I'm gonna teach you how to play basketball.
Bro, I wanna learn how to box.
Did you guys basa the rule book? You can bring a music instrument.
Really?
Yeah.
You have?
pero
Did you bring?
Pero you can't use it all the time.
i-request mo kay Kuya.
I have a song.
Naka-ready.
You can request kay Kuya.
Pero parang midway na i-request.
I almost
Yeah, katulad ng chessboard.
You know how to play the
I'm gonna
Yeah. You know how to play the guitar?
masasanay na kita.
simple chords. Pero yung dream instrument ko, electric guitar. Crystal.
Crystal, pumasok ko.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Nabubuksan niyo yung room? Paano tayo shower call?
Grabe, magkakasama tayo sa bahay.
Nasabi ko eh.
Ano yun yung bubuksan?
Yeah.
Yung voice.
Hindi kasi wala pa naman sa voice na nakakausap ni Kuya eh.
Oo nga no.
Wala pa naman sa voice na nakakausap ni Kuya. Kasi you can only shower.
You guys wanna bet? This will survive 1 week.
After that, I don't wanna bet.
Naka-bend.
Just try to get one.
Let's bet a fudgy bar.
Are those black Air Forces?
Oo nga.
If it breaks in 1 week, you can't get pillows. Ube.
That's
a good deal.
Okay, if it survives 1 week bent, we won't eat ube 1 day. Ayan. Just 1 day. Hindi tayo mag-ube 1 day. Deal? It
No,
survives.
just you.
How about me?
Because if it breaks, that's the bet. Like, it can't be both of us. Deal? 1 day, just 1 day.
Ano yung sa'yo?
I can't eat the, if I'm wrong,
No.
eat the
Let me.
uishi.
The last time I checked the time was like 6:50. 6. Yeah, we have oras. Well, that's the last time. Okay, wala na tayong oras. Yeah, military time. It's like 18. 18 minus 2 is...
Sir, can people
18
still
minus
watch
12.
us at this time?
Ganun
People
yun?
still watch us at this time?
I don't think it's live. I think it's live.
Dun nga sa HA eh. Like, yun sa HA, sa hotel. Like, I'm so bad at the time.
Bro, I don't think you can.
Hindi,
You can talk about the...
I feel like yung
Okay.
missing oras is 7.
But there's like a technique. You look at the shadow of
That's
like,
what,
look at the shadow and then it will like nakaturo yung kumbaga yung clock na nagtuturo.
it's called a sundial.
Sundial, yeah. In-imagine ko na lang.
The house arrest, hindi talaga pwede. Hotel arrest pala.
I took one for the
First
team.
buzz of the season!
I took one for the team. Para ano yan.
First buzz goes to Lee.
Hey guys, it's on me! It's on me! It's on me!
Uy, pangalawang violation mo na yun, yung...
Bakit?
Yung nameplate mo.
Hindi!
I think that's the violation. I think that's the first ever like.
Yeah, it's the first ever. Buzz.
Ha?
Pinaka first na violation.
Yeah.
Hanggang tatlo lang tayo.
Yeah!
That's the fastest too.
Fastest! Yes!
Record.
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 Okay. Now we don't make any violations.
Okay.
Yes.
Hanggang tatlo lang yun.
Yeah. Like per day ata eh.
Hindi lahat.
Or,
You guys wanna play Mafia? Are we allowed to play like?
yeah, we can play, we can play.
Like he'll tell you like,
Guys, laro tayo ng Mafia.
yeah.
Gusto mo?
Tapos you'll be like,
You guys want to play Mafia?
How do you play?
Okay, guys, come here. Gather up,
Yeah, guys, let's play some.
gather up.
Gather around, children.
guys, coach is right.
So,
Are these all the men?
Huh?
Are these all the men?
yes, kulang pa. Yeah. Okay. I'll facilitate. So, Mafia,
Here's the task.
Thank you. Let's say two mafias. Every night, the mafia choose to kill people. In order for the mafia to win, they have to be the last two standing. And like, with the other two. So if it's like, for example, you're mafia, innocent, and then you guys are all the only ones alive, the mafia wins.
Shouldn't there be like one person like nagbubulong who gives us the role?
Huh?
Magbubulong sa tenga.
I know this
I
game.
think he's gonna do that.
So, okay.
Shame.
And then, there's also, so every morning, you guys vote out who you think is the mafia. Right? And then, every night, there's also a doctor.
Yeah. My doctor,
The doctor can pick somebody.
To heal. To like,
Okay,
parang,
so, for example, you're a doctor. You
parang
pick him.
shield.
Yeah.
And then he's mafia. You kill him.
I killed him.
He's not gonna die.
Yeah, kasi
I
the
see.
doctor
Doctor
picked
is
him
doctor.
because saved him. Yeah, gets. Is there a
And then
police?
there's a police, there's a sheriff, who if he picks somebody,
That is
he
the
will
mafia.
know their role. He can't kill them, but it will be revealed to him. Pero kunwari, ikaw yung police, di ba? Kasi ikaw yung mafia. You investigated him when you woke up, di ba? And then I'll tell you. Yeah, he's the mafia. So when you wake up, you're gonna, guys, I investigated him.
Okay.
He's the mafia.
Pero,
Let's vote him out.
pero pwedeng, like, he could make that, huh?
You can act as a mafia, you can act as a sheriff if you want. It's your choice, your strategy.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
pero
so there's
like,
doctors, there's mafia, there's...
isn't that like a sure win for the sheriff? No, parang,
I mean, you can act as a sheriff. And then you're no, I'm the sheriff. Why are you saying
Map, di ba?
hey, hold up, buddy. I'm also,
No, yung laser.
Yung laser siya. It's not totally painless. Pero, di siya masakit. Mararamdaman mo lang na may nakagawa ganun.
Agenda sila dito. Hindi, now, di ba 1 week na yan?
Actually, hindi
Wala
na. Ano lang siya? As in like, first 2 hours lang after the laser. Sakit. Para kang may salt water sa eyes. Ganun, super sakit. Tapos, I just drank medicine lang, painkillers. Tapos, when I woke up, okay na. As in like, no pain at all. Tapos, ang linaw na. Parang kung may cloud effect sa eyes mo. Yung medyo blurry, but you can see that it's clear
Meron
na.
pa rin kita.
Ganun.
Now, as in clear na vision mo.
Yeah. Yung,
Di mo na kailangan ng glasses.
Di no. I had my operation, like, 3 p.m. Tapos 9 p.m., malinaw na. 2020.
Wow.
Best life decision.
Bilis. Ikaw kailangan mo talaga kasi 300 ba?
No.
Ako,
Ako, 1% na bukas pala yung buturas ka. Ilan?
150, 170.
Di pa siya ganun.
Yeah. Ikaw, Inona, do you wear glasses?
Yung grad ako is negative 125 and then negative 50. So,
Stigmatism also.
Nagka-glasses ka?
Oo.
Tsaka contacts?
Contacts.
Contacts.
Hindi. glasses ko nandun sa toiletries.
Ang dami pala natin na wala pumunta dito. Ay, hindi na pala ako kasama.
Hindi,
Ay,
2020
yabang.
kami.
Ang yabang. Hindi na pala ako kasama. Kasi hindi naman lahat nagkakaroon ng blood clot.
Sa'yo lang. Bakit daw?
It just depends sa eyes mo. Kumbaga sa...
Pero normal naman daw.
Yeah. Kumbaga sa skin, parang siyang pasak.
Ah, okay. Maliligo pa ba kayo?
Hindi ako nagsha-shower na night. Kasi usually kakasakit ako.
Ah, really? Ikaw, Winona. Sa shower ka pa.
I want to.
Nakausap ka na ba ni Kuya?
Hindi pa. Pero parang wala din towel.
Sino po? Alin? Pwede pa.
Oo, pwede. Wala naman tayo pinapag-usapan na ano, diba?
It's them.
Sila siguro.
Alam mo naman mga boy.
Don't know.
Kino-cover ata nila
Yung face?
Ayaw.
or minamouth nila. Happy birthday, Fred! Happy birthday. Oh, ilalaban. Happy birthday, Fred!
Weh! Baka kasi...
Depression. Is...
Sleep.
Sabay-sabay tayo na-drain yung social media. Ang gano'n lang.
Wala na.
Gusto ko yung lahat tayo nandito lang nag-aantay.
Ulit na ba?
Okay, tamay.
Ano bang ginagawa nila dun?
Tama tayo. After nakikurious ako sa nilalaro.
Or should I change na ba?
Pwede na.
I have like...
Comfy ka na. I wanna take a bath. Change.
Kaso wala pang room.
Or kahit pang babae.
Wala tayong towel.
Para hindi ka naka... Boys. Boys.
Na ano na?
Paupo
Parang
na.
rockstar na talaga.
Yan, maupo.
Para kasi...
Oh no,
May council
nasabihan
meeting
na.
today.
I'm gonna change na.
Ashley.
Basta sa
Hindi
podium.
mo alam kung anong ginagawa nila dun eh.
Basta sa podium ba sila? Para silang may council meeting.
Itiihinga.
Sabi ni Kuya, tumingin ka sa harapan mo.
Naka-open na yung lapel habang
Ako nakatingin,
CR.
Kuya. Siyempre, no, ako wala naman. Naka sa ano, around the room. Kasi hindi ko naman. Naririnig ko yung boses niya kung saan.
Wala?
Living the sass, bro.
Saan ba may tissue? I think here meron. There's no tissue here.
Wala. Sinek namin.
Yeah, may mga toiletries.
Sinek namin. Wala.
Wala tissue. Oh. Yeah, we have to clean nga. Asan yung pang glass dyan?
Ayun. Window sa garden.
Sa garden.
Tapos sabon. Sabon.
Dinig ko na lahat.
There's floss.
Yes.
Facial foam. Ba't hiwa-hiwalay? Basta na natin mo. Here na lang.
Oh my God. Dalawa?
Ano
ginagawa nila?
Parang Naka-circle sila sa gitna eh. Tapos hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nila. What are they doing? That's so witty.
Ulit ng game.
What's your game?
So, pag circle, sige. Circle ulit.
Hindi ka kasali. Sige.
Hindi, kasi dapat may host eh.
sige.
Ewan ko kung pwede to kuya, pero sige. I'm gonna say somebody's name. Tapos, let's say, I say Joaquin's name. Whoever's beside Joaquin, Miguel tsaka Marco, mag-unahan kayong mag-bang sa isa't isa.
Bakit puno na ba?
Mag-unahan kayong mag-shoot.
Okay. Parang
Wait,
sheriff.
and then Joaquin, dapat yumuko ka when I say your name. Kasi if kung hindi ka matatamaan ka, you're out.
Okay.
Wala
mo na si Anton.
What if, okay, so, ano yung time limit ko? Yumuko. Pag
Example, depends on them how fast they bang.
Pwede sila
So pwedeng shield.
Clifford.
So pwede siyang maging shield. Hindi naman.
Hindi, kung mabagal siyang yumuko, tas nagbang na, siya yung ma-out.
Yuko ako ganito,
Wait
kasi
lang.
kung yumuko
Clifford.
ako
Kasi
pababa,
ikaw ba, pwede naman ganun.
Clifford, pwede nito sila mag-stall si Marco at si Miguel. Pwede hindi sila babaril agad. Pwede ihintayin nila.
Hindi.
Or kailangan baril agad.
Hindi, kasi yun yung goal eh. You have to eliminate.
so, okay, sabihin natin point para mas friendly.
Oh, sige, point.
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 Okay.
Point. Ano lang, sabihin natin pogi. Yun na lang. Pogi.
Okay.
Sige.
Okay.
Sample. 3, 2, 1, go. Fred.
Basta yun nasa gilid ba?
Since sinabi ko yung name mo, dapat ikaw yung nag-dodge.
Basta yung ano.
Tapos, kayong dalawa, example, sasabihin ko yung name ni Fred. Kung sino yung katabi ni Fred, sila mag-unan silang barilin yung isa't isa. Ay, not baril. Mag-unan silang mag-compliment sa isa't isa. Pogi. Ganon. Pogi.
Okay.
Pero, yung ipopogi mo, si Miguel hindi si Fred.
Okay.
Pero pag hindi yumuko si Fred on time, tapos nagpogi ka na, siya yung ma-out.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Basta
Kung
yung
siya yung
left and
na-out,
right.
hindi to
Kung sila left
ma-out,
and
hindi
right
sila
mo, yun yung
ma-out.
ano, babaril.
Kung si Fred hindi gumanon, si Fred yung ma-out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so sila dalawa, they're still safe. Pero if ever I said Fred, tapos ikaw nag-bang, ikaw yung nagpogi, you're
Out
out.
ako.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, game.
Marco, hit kayo inigo.
Oh, sige. Game
Hindi, si hit lang pati si Rachel.
Oh, remember, pogi Pogi. Ganun Oh, sige. 3, 2, 1,
We have
go.
to say the word, right?
Lee!
Bogi.
Parang ikaw yung out. Kasi nauna si Rave, no? Sino nauna?
Sige. Ata.
Pinutok niya na, hindi niya nagsalita.
Say pogi. Bawi next round. Sige. 3, 2, 1. Anton!
Pogi.
Uy, di mo ko. Out ka na.
Ay,
Hindi ka out.
di siya yung mukha. Hindi, ako yung mukha.
Oh, sige. Next.
So, out si Hit.
Dito lang kayo, parang di sila malito.
Wala
Kasi
sinong out yun.
Kasi baka malito sila eh. Pag gusto nyo dito kayo sa akin, dito. Para di sila
Bawal ka tumayo, di ba?
Pag out. Kasi baka malito sila. Like, sinabi kong rave.
Basta dito lang ako.
Sige. Ganun na lang kayo. Yung
Naka-lean back
lean back na lang. O sige. 3, 2, 1.
Sa'yo, magdahil.
Miguel!
Pogi!
Akala ko.
Wait. Wait nyo yung top 2 kasi yung top 2 iba yung rules. Maganda yung rules sa top 2.
So,
sige.
Miguel sa live pa.
Stand up.
So, wala
Wait
sila.
lang. Yumuko ka ba?
Yumuko.
So si Fred you out. Sige.
So, out
You're live.
sila dalawa.
So
Tatlo kami.
calculate nyo na lang sino yung...
Wala pa.
So, okay, so...
Nakafocus kasi sino papanga.
Okay.
It's
Inigo!
Pogi.
Sili.
Tama.
Tama. Si Marco. Sige. So ilan na lang? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 6.
Okay, so me.
Wala, bahala kayo. I-calculate nyo yun.
It's 5 now.
Okay.
1, 2.
Okay.
Nakatingin.
Miguel!
Bang! Ay, Pogi. Pogi.
And,
Okay.
okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sino pa?
Wala na.
Last.
Isa.
Apat na lang tayo.
Uy, yung big 4 natin.
Oh.
Paano to?
Big 4.
Yun na,
Sige.
tatawa mo yung dalawa.
3, 2, 1, go.
Same pa rin. Sige.
Favorite mo si Marco, no? Hindi mo pa sinasabi si Marco.
Miguel!
Pogi!
Sino na una? Ikaw. Marco.
Ano yung rules?
Oh, last 3, ha?
Ay,
Malalaman yung top 2.
Bilis ni Marco eh.
Marco!
Boys, ayusin ang gamit nyo sa bedroom.
Sayang, top 2 na
The
sana.
winner is to be continued. Ano yan, warm-up round lang yun.
That was a
I like that game. Masaya.
Oh, let's make the top
Ganda,
2 sa boys' bedroom. Yung top 2. Ayusin na yung gamit na.
Let me try.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tai Chi.
Gulo nung ano natin. Basta ano ako.
You ladies alright?
Anong ayusin? Lahat na.
time.
Pwede nga, no? Pwede na natin kunin yung pantulog natin. Or
I guess.
Yeah.
Parang hindi naman susutin agad. Parang prepare lang. Lalagay lang sa...
Pwede natin mag-visit. Or yung
I-organize na natin.
Yung di mali
Mag-shower, bro. Lahat? Hindi ka mag-shower.
I guess so.
Akala ko di ka maliligo.
Sabay-sabay na tayo.
Sige, ikaw muna ba?
May provide
Hindi na.
Sabay na tayo.
Sino mga hindi maliligo?
Bubuksan na natin.
Shower ako.
Raise your hand yung mga hindi maliligo.
May wax ako eh.
Iwang sa
Okay.
Sabay tayo.
Ako wala.
Uy,
Makeup. Coley, wala naman sa'yo kasi kulit ka, di ba?
Oh, natural to wear.
Bubuksan mo na.
Hala.
bakit?
Wait guys, question.
Pwede
Guys, kasi may sarili akong stuff na pang shower. Pwede ko ba siya i-switch? Or...
I believe.
Pwede naman, as long as...
Naka-cover naman yung brand.
Naka-cover naman.
Yeah.
So pwede.
May sarili akong shower.
Maybe try your best to itago na lang.
Wait, so pag naliligo tayo, saan natin ilalagay?